What is going on, everybody? So this here is a Tinger Dog. If you are new to my channel for See You Outside, go back and check out the one that we built a couple years ago. It's the Dog, I call it. But it's there's a lot of snow machines that have been built, and there's a lot of YouTube videos out there. I'm going to recommend a couple videos, and I don't know who these people are, and I am not sponsored by Tinger Dog. So for the introduction of a Tinger Dog, go check out Tinger Dog Introduction. That is made by Recreation Revolution. They do a good job making a video for that. Another video I'm recommending to check out on a Tinger Dog, well, actually it's on a Snowdog, and that is 7 Reasons Why Snowdog, and that is by Bend It Fishing YouTube channel. Good videos. I don't need to go into depth on all the reasons why they've already made the videos. So check out their videos. Now, why did I go Tinger Dog versus a Snowdog? So the Snowdog, my understanding is engineers from Snowdog left Snowdog company, and they then went and created Tinger Dog. They made some improvements from the actual Snowdog. Then we were also intrigued by the build kits. Now, last year, so 2022, we ordered 2 of the Tinger Dogs from Keno Tractors. I'll share that on the description. Keno Tractors is out of Oregon, and it took them about a year to get shipped to us. But what I'm not finding on YouTube, me and my buddy, we have now built 3 of these. What we're not finding on YouTube is the modifications and the build. They come with pretty good descriptions and instructions on how to put them together, but we came into a couple problems. So this YouTube video is, if you're interested in a Tinger Dog and you want to do the Pro build kit where you have to choose a motor and install it, this is the video. If you have any questions, just comment on the video. I will get back to you. This is from our learning experience with building the Tinger Dogs. So if other people are having the question of, if we built our own dogs, then why did we go to this route? One, these do look awesome. They are compact and they look really good. The one I built, the Dog, I already sold that to another buddy. He's in Wisconsin with it right now. He's loving it. I like the look of this, and also one of the biggest reasons why we went with this is on the build. We put 30 series torque converters on there, and we were new to all that with the torque converters. So this one, it's almost it's just a much larger torque converter, and just with all the torque and also too, this belt, the actual track, this is 20 inches wide, and a lot of the snowmobiles, like an old part of a snowmobile, they're 15 inches wide. So this is a wider track and just a much bigger torque converter, a bigger belt. It's gonna hold up to more wear and tear. So that's why we chose to go with this build. But check out the video on how to put one of these Pro kits together.
You did not, or you did?
I did paint, yeah, I painted.
You did?
I take all this stuff off, but it wasn't that bad.
Go ahead and pull that forward, Braden.
Actually, you don't even have to take all this off, do you?
I know, just to get mine, the gear to clear. So to paint it, I took mine off and painted it. I painted the inside and everything.
Yeah. Well, it's, yeah, because it's just raw metal.
I just took this and lifted it up and put this bit out. Or maybe I took this one over, I did there. But
That's what I'm wondering, if you just took this off.
but I couldn't get the clear.
It wouldn't?
No.
Okay.
Oh, this is ready to come out.
So the last two that we did when we these two and these here, that's the motor mounts, and the clutch with the belts not lining up right, and the motor with the clutch needs to go this way, or you can shim this one out, and that's the last two that we just did. So what we're doing and what we just did on the last one is we're opening up these holes, because on the motor this side, the motor actually has slots for the bolts. So we are opening up this side so we can actually shift the motor this way to get a proper belt alignment. This is the reverse gearbox. When it comes from the Tinger Dog, it does not come with any gear lube, so we're just using some 80/90. Show the gear lube there. Yeah, just 80/90, and 3 to 4 ounces.
There wasn't much in this anyway.
Need a little bit more.
Maybe I'm gonna look down in there. Bolt in there, I can't remember.
We removed the top wire there. Now we are disconnecting. This is the oil sensor, the yellow wire. We're getting rid of that, which we just cut that yellow wire. Or you're just unplugging it, yeah.
So we're gonna take this off anyway.
And then yes, it's a 8mm, 10mm. It's 2 of the wrenches that we're using. And then we keep that bottom bolt because then we have to rehook up some grounds on the wiring harness.
Keep this thing too.
So the only thing out of this is that relay.
There we go.
Right, then just snip those 2 wires. Also got these 2.
Okay.
So that's the only thing we're pulling out is that relay switch. And then everything else we're just taking out. So we'll need the brown wire and then this black wire. So cut that black wire.
And that's it.
That's all we need.
Yep. And this comes off. That's your kill.
So the kill, when you cut it from the switch, all I did is put a female round connector there.
Here's wiring up the relay again. To the brown to brown, white to white.
Yep.
That wire there, just it's not needed, so put it out of the way.
And we loosened this up because the wiring harness that comes with this Tinger Dog, I have a couple of connections there.
Yeah, that's the positive.
So before we get all, this is the wiring. It's simple. Just get it pre-wired up. We're gonna add some oil now. Get the oil in there. This cover, we loosen up this cover and we turn it so the pull starter is for the side, and then we have to remove this air cover to drill the hole for the choke. Putting on the clutch, in the kit there's two different bolts, one for a Kohler, one for the Predator. So it's the more the skinnier tapered one, and that is for the Predator. Now on this, we are not shimming this out. This is going all the way in, and then that's why we made the bolts. need this to shift in for the belt alignment. So that's why we opened up these holes so the motor can shift over for the belt alignment. So this one here we did first. You can see the belt, how it's not properly aligned. It's kicking over to the right. So it's, look at the gap difference. It's riding on this inner wall, and we got no gap, and then we have this gap over here. So this is what I was talking about. This is the first one that we put together. So the motor needs to go this way. So that's what we did over here. So now you can see opening up those holes. Actually, we're gonna take and we gotta move the motor over, but we have that room now. But now we have that gap. Yeah, we haven't tightened this motor down yet. But yeah, you can definitely tell it's a lot more aligned. Okay, so I just want to explain before we get the motor in here. So this connector here is for the lights. So that's at the end if you have a battery connected. These two here will go to a ground where on the actual motor mount. We'll explain that. Show the solenoid. Which ones go to a solenoid? You got your red and your white, right?
Yeah, positive, yeah.
Those will go to the positive on the solenoid. This goes to the solenoid, one where we took off. We'll show that goes to the solenoid. This is your kill switch. This will then, we already put the female on, so this is the kill switch. And then this is an extra wire.
Yeah, that's nothing there.
Yeah. And then you got over here, you have positive and negative. This will go to your battery terminals that go up under there. And then that's all there is to it. We're almost done. So after the motor and the clutch alignment, everything is done. We got everything bolted on. We removed the muffler here to get it in, and it did help on this one, on this build, on getting everything to come into place. So removing the muffler before putting the whole assembly back into the frame.
For the throttle.
So there's 6 bolts that hang on, that mount the main frame of the motor assembly and the clutch assembly to the frame. There's 6 bolts. We're putting them all in, but we're leaving them loose because then we have to adjust the chain at this point, and we'll show you there. All right. So the primary way we're going to be going is forward. So the master link key, here, show that rotation, how we want the close spot going forward.
Yep.
Get those needle nose.
Get the pliers. Show you the pliers ready, I guess.
It's okay. The longer viewers watch, more watch time. Good. All right, so now we have to adjust all this slack out of here.
All right, so we'll hook this a bit more.
So we need this and the white one.
Yeah, the red and white, yep.
All right, so red and white are going to the stator. It is a tight fit. Or if that's an 8 or a 10. 10?
Yeah.
That's over there. Did you catch that on the video?
A little bit.
Nope. Sorry. Trent's rushing.
It's okay.
Now we have nothing on video.
That's right. Now we got it. Oh yeah, we got it.
Alright, where's that other connection there? For the stator. Yeah, we're missing that one. Where's it?
The green.
No, it's got the white connector. Where'd that go? I'm not seeing it. No, for the stator, the top one. It's got that connector on it. I'm not seeing it. There it is. Push that through. Show the fishes. There.
We can either go here or down there. Where we want to go?
This right here. I
On
guess.
top of that.
It right there's fine too.
So it brings your cable.
Yeah, that's fine. It's at 8.
Yeah. Right down that other socket.
I couldn't imagine doing this with the ignition box.
No, it's.
I don't think you could.
Well, it's nice having those screws too, though. Or the.
Yeah.
And that. So this goes in that. That's it. Tape that off. I would take that off.
Oh yeah. Yep.
That's an extra. That's it.
Cool.
Yep, we're good.
Push that goes down. Yep. So that goes to the lights. This. That's just extra.
Yep.
Actually, I'm gonna fold that up in there too.
What you got? On three.
Cool.
Yep, you're good.
All right. Now
Cables.
let's do the.
Brake.
Is that the brake?
Yep.
So what's the color code on this one?
Red.
Or so.
There you go.
That worked out a lot better.
Slide that in there. If you want to talk about switching that around, well, they can probably figure that out. Let me hold it.
There. Cause it's gonna loosen up. Okay. Oh yeah. It's good.
Oh yeah, it's good tape.
I think I'm gonna add a zip tie right there too.
I just noticed something. That there loosens up this one, so it brings it back.
Oh, okay.
So if you had to shim it, move it over, you could. I just noticed that.
And it is on it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
When you do this, you'll see it.
So right now, is it revving?
It's hitting just on the inside. If you go back and look back here, you'll see
Yeah,
it.
but we can adjust this.
Right. But I'm saying if we would have put a shim in it earlier, I was worried about it. But I didn't know you could adjust it, so I just seen it.
You're right. Cool.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Hit the brakes. Perfect. Oh yeah. It's a lot better. Just off of it just a little bit. Cool. Nice. Okay.
You want to do the front then, the reverse?
Yep. So the reverse. Are you our videoer? Alright, that's in there.
You guys just hook hitches to the back of your sled to pull stuff.
There you go, that's good. I'm sorry.
You guys just put like those hitches on the back of the sleds to pull
Yeah,
stuff.
every sled comes with a hitch. Somewhere.
No, I'm saying on the back of your sled that you stand in.
Yep.
You put another hitch on that.
Yeah, yep. There's a metal, I should show you, but there's metal all around that sled. And then there's already a loop in the back for it.
Oh.
To latch another one.
I'll have to latch something else
Yeah,
on?
yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So I mean, they're nice. The
Yeah,
sleds are
because
nice.
I have a tow bar on my shanty already.
Yeah.
So I can just be able to hook
Yeah.
tow bar to it and stuff.
Dude, I just need to get a socket for this thing.
That's what I do.
Just my customer.
Yeah. Pretty good there.
Move that Braden's over there, but you're going to get
I did bet mine, didn't I?
No. No,
That was Braden's.
it's coming all the way back.
Well, yours is going all the way back, so. Oop. Thanks.
So professional looking. Rum rum.
That's what was earlier.
About it.
Choke.
Choke. Oh yeah. All right. Well, we can put the muffler back on.
Yeah, I get that.
All right. So muffler back on. That's just 2 bolts, right?
Yep.
Don't get too much of that.
1/2 inch.
Oh, the choke. Even like, I mean, that's probably that's fine right there, I guess. Just it's gotta go like that.
Do that.
And I mean, put another, maybe one more tie up there. Just leave it. Okay. All right. So now I gotta. Hey, hand me those needle nose.
$299.
Yeah, that, but yeah, I'm telling
For
you.
what?
The damn sleds. But they have the runners on them already and have the metal
Yeah.
framing around it.
Yeah, and it's got the hoods and everything.
That's a lot.
I'm saying that's what I was saying when I
Yeah, you're in the-
adjusted that. And
You're in the run right now. If you want, there's plenty of room for adjustment on this damn thing. Yep.
oh, this is rough here.
Let me put my finger real quick.
For what?
I'm just gonna bend that top down. Kind of put a little kink in that damn wire. Alright, you're good. Now go ahead. You're good.
Here we go. Should be enough, but oh, should be about it's 10. Nope. I don't know what that one is. Or just some pliers. Here, I'll just hold up the needles. I'll just hold the needle nose. That's plenty.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Tuck it in or whatever you want there.